Hello from Singapore. Today I'm at MRT Pasar Malam, right here at the Boon Keng MRT station. In front is the Teochew meat puff, a popular dish among Singaporeans. And today is a Sunday, about 5 p.m. now. 5:30 I mean. Look at that, man. After frying, putting some of the paste on it. Yeah, clean up. There was a Teochew meat puff, salted something. And not only that, we have another favorite of Singaporeans, the snack, pan fried banana. Today 745, banana 745, 745. There's salad, mango sticky rice, and so much more. Sweet mango, sour mango, crispy chicken, Taiwan. Still has been good business, you know. Oh, look at that. There's some juicy drinks here, Kong Balang. And no need with the uta ikan. 15 piece for 10 and 7 piece of $5. So please keep up. Sweet potato ball, 10 pieces of $5. Thai milk tea, Thai coffee, Thai tea here, 3 different types. There's the original one. And the other types are 2 sizes, the small one, $4, the big one, $5. It's rolling and putting into the kind of group machine right again. After buying the snacks, I can actually see around these tables and enjoy the scenery and the crowd, as well as thinking of what to purchase next. There's other stuff here beside the food. There are clothes for the Chinese New Year, some mattress, pillowcase and more. Look at this, really sort of threads. And those pajamas for ladies is good, or rather fit t-shirts. So Pasar Malam is a culture of Singapore. Come, oh by the way, there's a nice sugar cane right there. The design of the shirts, I think it's a bit like not too trendy, right? It's just very conservative, but you know what? The Singapore women like to dress this way, so if it's a culture here. If you go to Thailand or Vietnam, it's a different kind of clothes already. They look totally different. And the prices from $10 onwards. Oh, I saw $5 and $6 the other side. You guess what? They sell some kind of vases here and Chinese decorations, as well as the claw machines. You can see around here is quite cool because of the clothes they are swaying now. And there are 3 big giant toys here. I can't believe it, it's like almost 1.2 meters. It must be very heavy. There's a 2 gui in front. Nice coconuts. And the drinks. Actually, I was expecting more of the stores in terms of the quality, but it's okay, you know, because you get a more neighborly environment. It's a nice experience today. The little tour of the Pasar Malam ride the Boon Keng MRT. A bit surprised because of the limited number of stores and also the crowd doesn't seem to be too many. But I guess because one reason because there are too many Pasar Malam to choose from Singapore. There are about 5 or 6 Pasar Malam operating right now in the whole Singapore, around Singapore. So, and maybe they don't live around here. Normally people who come to Pasar Malam are people who stay around here. And unless you are a YouTuber like me, then you go around the island, or TikToker or Instagrammer. I like the logo, you know, the night bazaar, the red color one. They say the Singapore 夜市. Singapore means Singapore, and then the 夜市 means night bazaar. They even have Facebook and Instagram there, and even a QR code. That's amazing. The organizer is super good. There's another one in Yishun. I think most of the night bazaar are handled by them. The Singapore night bazaar.